So, hi guys. It's been a while where I'm trying to create a VM on an M1 Mac and also install Kali Linux on it. So, today I'm gonna show you all the steps that I did that actually worked. So, the first thing you have to do is to download the UTM from the actual site. So you can download it as DMG file or you can download it from the App Store. The difference is that from the App Store you get also the updates, but it has a price of about $10. So we're gonna go and just download it for now. Uh, Install it. So I have it already installed. And the next thing is to create a new virtual machine. We're gonna name it as Kali test, and okay, give it also an icon. So the next thing is to create a new drive. So here we're gonna select the NVMe, give it like 10 gigabytes or how many you'll need, and set create. We have to do one more thing. We have to create another drive, which will be actually a removable one, and we're gonna select USB. So also create and save. So here we have Kali test, which actually gives us the option to select an ISO file from our system. And the next thing is to download the actual ISO file. So on the link on the description, you will be redirected to Kali Linux, currently on version 21.3, which is an ARM64 installation. So here is it. After you have the file downloaded, you can browse it from the UTM app and select it from here, and you have it set. So next thing is to just press start. So that's it. You will go through the installation process when you have attached the correct file, of course, and the Kali Linux OS should be working fine. I'll just show it right here. So yeah, Kali Linux. So that should be it. Thanks, and if you have any questions, just add a comment below. Bye.